Greetings to all tech-savvy farmers. Smart Tech is here to guide you through the world of heavy equipment and revolutionary agriculture machinery. The Dredge King is the largest dredging boat, which is particularly versatile for land clearing and various dredging operations. The 4 hydraulic rods ensure high stability during operation. Thanks to the optimal use of the paddles, this equipment can be loaded independently, so there is no need for an additional crane system. DeWin designs, builds, and operates the largest and most powerful single-pass trenchers in the world. That's why it has created its most powerful single-pass trencher, designed for a variety of underground work in loose and semi-solid soils. The latest MT3500, a monster trencher with 3,500 horsepower, can reach depths of 160 feet below ground level to install in-situ mixing of bentonite soil walls and bentonite cement walls. No other machine of its kind is capable of doing this anymore. The Zern 160 is a modern selection harvester for clean and unmixed grain harvesting. The Zern 160 has been developed from scratch. The modern machine concept meets the highest requirements. The threshing unit, cleaning system, and engine have sufficient power reserves for harvesting demanding crops from specific areas of land. The ergonomically designed cab provides maximum comfort for the driver and operator. The combine harvester is modularly designed and can be individually configured according to customer requirements and wishes. The Keystrack R3 machine is the best impact crusher in the industry. It delivers optimum results and product shape at one of the lowest equipment costs. Combined with its relatively small transport dimensions, excellent fuel efficiency, and high productivity, this machine is ideal for primary and secondary crushing, construction and demolition, and concrete or waste recycling. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to a wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. Greens may not be that difficult to grow, but harvesting is quite labor-intensive. Therefore, machines to facilitate these processes are widespread among special technologies for vegetable production. One of the most efficient and productive of them is the Automech machine, Model 8200 Latuga. In fact, it's a self-propelled harvester on wheels, harvesting lettuce and puffed vegetables, such as arugula, spinach, etc. It's manufactured in a factory near Venice, Italy. Automech harvesters use a belt knife system to easily cut high-density crops. The DeWolf RA3060 has already earned its reputation as a high-performance machine through countless hours of work in rainy and dry weather. With standard equipment and optional extras, this machine helps the driver in every possible way to get the best results when harvesting potatoes and carrots. With the roomy new Class Cab, the company has created a comfortable, working environment that is operator-oriented. Harvest and combine movement control panels and a joystick make it easy and comfortable to operate the machine itself. An alternative silent solution for vibration-free baling can be the use of a telescopic driving unit equipped with an RTG MPZ 770 hydraulic press. This technique has a 360-degree tracked base to which the telescopic mast is attached. The installation of a hydraulic press with a downward force of up to 80 tons allows the steel sheet pile to be pressed into the ground without vibration. The sheet piles are installed in panels of 4 at a time. The downward pushing force requires an equal and opposite reaction force. Most of this reaction force is created by the combined weight of the rig, downward hydraulic force, and the friction of the panel against the previously installed sheet piles. As the pile panel penetrates, surface friction between the reaction piles and the soil becomes a key factor in developing an adequate overall reaction. The HS8300 HD mining excavator was designed to handle the harsh conditions of surface mining. With an operating weight of 380 tons and a boom length up to 164 feet, The machine can be equipped with buckets of up to 55 cubic feet. In dragline mode, the rope excavator impresses with its high productivity. The hydraulic accumulator can provide the ability to recover energy during dragline bucket operation. This reduces fuel consumption and wear on the free dump winch. XCMG ET110 and ET111 walking excavators are designed to work in a variety of conditions: difficult landscapes, slopes and swamps, different climatic conditions, and at different altitudes relative to sea level. The machine has built-in software that effectively controls the hydraulic system and ensures operator safety. The design of the cab is thought out to the smallest detail. All-round visibility, adjustable in all directions seat, vibration absorbers, monitor and touch control buttons, as well as air conditioning allow you to work comfortably in any, up to the most extreme climatic conditions. These Chinese excavators differ from their analogs by a powerful turning device and reinforced platform frame. GPS is installed, with the help of which the excavators can always be tracked by location. This is a professional compost shredder from MH, or more simply, the self-propelled compost shredder type MH4212. The capacity of this machine is 8 cubic meters per linear meter. The model is equipped with tires, can move on the road, and is brought to the working position by transformation. The transformation of the waste causes heating, where the temperature can rise to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, all diseases in the waste are eliminated in about 3 weeks. With regular turning, the compost is ready to be spread on the ground in 6 to 8 weeks. The milling gear is hydraulically driven by a single radial piston motor. The radiators are equipped with a hydraulically driven reversible fan, which is proportionally controlled according to the temperature of the liquid. One of the largest chain trenchers in the world is in front of you, and it's the famous Next Trencher. It's designed for laying large diameter pipes and digging deep trenches. It is powered by an 800 horsepower diesel engine. As for the width of the trench, which can be laid by this machine, it ranges from 12 to 150 centimeters, and its depth can be up to 6 meters. Do more work with less effort is Caterpillar's tagline. Adhering to their working concept, they've created a mighty waste compactor, model 836K. This giant weighs about 55 tons, and its power is 535 horses. But the main advantage of this machine is that it is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. The self-propelled 3- or 4-row ploger hopper harvester was developed with the customer in mind, harvesting potatoes without compromise. This machine excels in terms of the total sieving area. With the chassis outside the sieving blade, the flow of potatoes is free of obstructions and does not narrow. Thanks to the variety of possible cleaning modules, this allows you to build a harvester to suit your requirements. The best hopper capacity in the region allows you to organize your logistics more efficiently. Low transport speeds combined with the lowest possible drop and the unique soft pocket elevator guarantee comfortable handling of the potatoes. In a year of using Monarch Mark V electric tractors, like those at Constellation to Kalen Vineyard, a farm can become a model of sustainability. These emission-free machines not only protect the planet, but also increase efficiency through autonomous features. The introduction of the Mark V can reduce fuel costs, reduce the need for manual labor, and ensure precise tasks from planting to harvesting. The use of these tractors in a prestigious vineyard emphasizes the reliability and ability to improve the quality of the iconic wines, making the whole process greener and more efficient. Pay attention to this complex but fascinating process. A giant anchor chain attached between two large, powerful bulldozers rips out everything in its path. In this case, trees and other unwanted vegetation from the roots. The huge machines move back and forth as they do so, while the anchor chains, weighing about 20,000 pounds, rake the ground, also destroying the soil, shrubs, and trees with roots, which are then disposed of from the site by other machines. By the way, these anchor chains also serve as a kind of a shock absorber, easing the load on the bulldozer itself and preventing jerks with unexpected jolts. Open the door to the future of harvesting with the innovative E7000. This self-propelled harvester incorporates advanced technology to guarantee not only complete control and outstanding efficiency, but also to reduce the dust footprint to a minimum. With its impressive eco-clean cleaning system, the E7000 leads the market in cleaning volume, outperforming all competitors. Joystick controls make setup child's play. Everything is under the control of your fingers. A comfortable cab with perfect visibility and an independent floating head that precisely follows the contours of the ground make it an indispensable aid in harvesting almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. Not just any harvester, but your most reliable ally in the pursuit of harvesting perfection. The two machines work together to transform the field into a place full of possibilities. Their unison action improves soil conditions, making every centimeter of land ready for new use. Attention! Developed and tested in Finland, in real stony conditions. The machine collects stones across the entire working width in a single pass. The agronic rock tornado cultivates the soil over the entire working width, including the center line, thanks to the integrated center rotor that loosens and throws stones to the side rake cultivators. A working depth of 0 to 3.9 inches can pick up stones ranging in size from 1.18 to 19.7 inches. It also features a low-loss manual transmission, but the tractor power required is 75 kilowatts per 100 horsepower. Children of famous parents sometimes have a hard time. They're under a lot of pressure, and everyone expects them to succeed. The same fate befell the LTM 1650 version 8.1, which was presented at the 2019 show as the successor to the legendary LTM 1500, the best-selling large crane of all time. In its genes, the heavy-duty crane, of course, carries its predecessor's concept of maximum lifting capacity on 8 axles. The result? The machine can easily handle lifting loads in the 700-ton class and above. That's why its nominal lifting capacity is precisely 700 tons. The technical features of the Embark walking excavators are the unique complex high-tech chassis design and patented boom. Different hydraulic cylinders allow this versatile machine to adjust the wheels and supports to any type of ground. For this reason, in some countries, the Embark is also called the spider excavator. Its lifting and braking power far surpasses conventional excavators. The M545 model, weighing 9.5 tons, is comparable to a 20-ton wheeled excavator. The fixed sloping edges on Embark crawler excavators can be adjusted to suit the task at hand, all thanks to adjustable wheel resistance and grippers. This is a milestone on the company's and its customers' journey towards fossil fuel-free transportation, Scania claims. And it's introducing all new trucks, hybrid and all-electric. Such an electric Scania truck will have a set of 5 or optionally 9 batteries powering an electric motor with 310 horsepower. With 9 powering batteries, it would even be possible to drive 250 kilometers on a single charge, taking up to 100 minutes. It's expected that charging 5 batteries will take less than an hour. In addition, as the manufacturer assures, the batteries can also be charged while the car is in use, using braking energy. Let's mention this HD9 drum crusher installed on the Caterpillar or Cat loader. It's designed for crushing round wood into processed chips. This technique is especially good for processing medium-sized round wood. The chips produced by such crushers are of good quality and can be used both in burning in specialized boilers and for producing various products. For example, MDF or chipboard. The Manson N300 is unrivaled in efficiency. Despite its massive size, the machine is maneuverable, precise, and easy to operate. This transloader takes ship loading and unloading efficiency to a whole new level. It delivers the fastest duty cycle on the market and the best performance in its class. The 300 is designed to meet the demands of modern loading and unloading operations and is capable of handling cargo up to Panamax-class vessels, but can also handle heavy general cargo and containers. For example, the 300 series transloader is capable of moving a full 40-foot container, approximately 72 feet, without having to change its position. Despite its enormous size, the Manson N300 is as maneuverable and accurate as any small material handling machine. French startup Vidibot has developed Bacchus, a robot designed for vineyard work. The versatile and fully electric robot can control weeds and treat and spray vines. The machine is expected to perform other tasks in the future. Thanks to its 80 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion batteries, Bacchus can operate autonomously for up to 10 hours. The absence of a cab reduces the center of gravity, which allows working on steep slopes. Due to its size and light weight, the robot uses little energy and reduces soil compaction. Bacchus is equipped with light indicators that allow you to see your work at a short distance and at night. Infrared vision is provided by TOF cameras and gives an accurate image of the environment. Meet the Alpha R Active, where innovation meets the field. Initially adorning Evrard Meteor trail sprayers, the R-Active system is now embodied in the self-propelled machines of the Alpha series, breaking new ground in agricultural technology. It's not just a sprayer, it's a workshop on wheels, providing precision control with minimal residual volumes and maximum spray quality. Why is this so important? Because every drop counts, and R-Active ensures they all reach their target. Add to that the ability to dual diaphragm pumps to maximize performance, and you have a machine that can turn the perception of quality spraying upside down. Stylish styling with an updated grille, LED headlights, and protection for durability makes the Alpha R Active not only functional, but also a visually appealing tool for the modern agriculturalist. Perhaps one of the most impressive innovations of the R300 is the revolutionary paver head, including exclusive captive screws. This means that you can now pick up even the most delicate grass bales, as well as penetrate very hard clay and stony soils. The center stand provides additional bale stability by incorporating screws that rotate in opposite directions, so the paver can hold bales that would normally fall out of any other machine. At the same time, they hold the bale in such a way that they also provide greater horizontal holding force and can put pressure on the pallet, squeezing the layers together for greater stability. Mowing and conditioning are the first and significant steps in the silage making process. The new Kuhn FC13460 model RA will help you achieve these goals. The mowing area is constantly increasing, but the optimum mowing periods are limited, and it's important to harvest high-quality forage. Win the race against time. The MoCo of this model, from a high-performance supplier, delivers significantly higher work output than conventional mowing combinations. Cymex VSC screening buckets, designed to separate different sized materials on the job site, are unique with their easy loading, elementary operation, and high productivity. Cymex's exclusive patent allows you to quickly adjust the size of the output screened material in just a few seconds using the controls in the operator's cab. Each element consists of 5 independent parts that can be easily connected to each other without welding. They're effortless to replace without complicated operations and without the need to unwind the shafts. This means a 75% reduction in maintenance expenses, as even a single disc or blade can be replaced. The system allows several configurations depending on the materials to be screened. The manufacturer Cymex provides users with 3 different settings, but many more are possible thanks to the 100% interchangeability of the screening elements. Now you see on your screens how the DZR wide from the Japanese company Niplo works. In fact, in front of you is a unique agricultural machine that's being used to create a dam on a hilly rice field. Everything in order to further build an embankment in Japan. No other horizontal wood sander would save you the headaches of dealing with load restrictions and allow as much as the CBI Magnum Force Model 5800 BT portable sander. This portable horizontal grinder was designed along the same lines as the proven 6800 BT grinder, but is specifically built for contractors dealing with transportation limitations. The Magnum Force grinder is suitable for waste and demolition businesses and mulching applications where high productivity and maximum reliability are required. The model features a high lift top roller for easy maintenance, high torque, a hydrostatic feeding system, and Caterpillar engine. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The scraper has 290 horsepower, while the tractor has 570 horses. The bucket capacity of the scraper with a cap is 38 meters cubed, and the maximum speed that this equipment can reach is 55.8 kilometers per hour. Whatever you say, Kesla 700 cranes are ideal allies and partners for various medium-sized machines, crushers, and various terminal structures. The models are available in single and double hull versions. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kesla Pro G. These cranes can also be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Both the Model 700 and the Model 700T are equipped with mechanical valves with an internal open control device. And what do we see in the video? How the Model 700 crane works perfectly with a modern Valtra T195 mid-size tractor on the forests of Finland. It's mounted on the rear axle of this tractor, and it simply copes with all the tasks at hand. The Fromaco OE 4.5 is based on the principle of a single system. The vibration and harvesting function are combined in one side machine next to the tree. This type of machine uses the continuous harvesting method, i.e., the trees are harvested continuously without interruption. For this purpose, the machine is equipped with a shaker that runs continuously. A special electro-hydraulic mechanism controls the process. Thus, after this operation, the fruit does not fall to the ground as the process is assisted by an umbrella over the tree lines. From the machine side and from the umbrella, the fruit is extracted through a special seal installed on the central conveyor belt. The combine is designed so that despite the density function, it can provide continuous harvesting. The machine has a chassis with a high and controlled level of cross suspension, which allows it to adapt to more difficult terrains. The operator can perform and control all machine functions from the cab. All work processes are performed electro-hydraulically. Anyone who's professionally engaged in viticulture knows for sure that the preparation of the soil before planting is one of the most important conditions, compliance with which is a prerequisite. Well, of course, if you want to output a quality harvest. Therefore, for these purposes, there's a special technique, such as, for example, a trail chisel plow ripper. In this case, it has 4 working organs, aggregated with tractors from 100 to 170 horsepower. This technique allows you to perform the process of loosening the soil to a depth of up to 55 centimeters. By the way, all wear parts of the trail loosening equipment are made of high-strength steel. Degelman's Land Roller Field Roller not only reduces downtime and fuel costs, but also ensures optimum seed-to-soil contact while reducing weeds and moisture loss. This allows for faster, safer, and easier harvesting, ultimately resulting in higher yields on pulse crops such as beans and cereals. The rigid frame of this field roller is made of a strong tubular profile, and the drums are equipped with oversized shafts and bearings. Heavy-duty cross joints, high-quality cylinders and bearings are just some of the standard land roller features. The machine also reduces ground track, or the amount of soil adhering to the seed, thereby improving the quality of the harvested crop. A robot named Ripa is a robot for intelligent sensing and precision operations that can recognize weeds and foreign objects in a given sector of a field using highly sensitive sensors. The unit weighs 550 pounds and is solar-powered. Thanks to a set of these sensors and a sophisticated algorithm, Ripa can already distinguish weeds from cultivated plants, as well as to find foreign materials, stones, pieces of glass, or metal. Further developments will give it the ability to remove weeds and foreign materials with 99% accuracy. When you need to move trees, you turn to the professionals. When professionals need truck spade, they turn to Dutchman. It's rugged, it's powerful, it's a quality that can't be beat. The company's experts have unveiled a new line of truck shovels ready to tackle the biggest or smallest of tree transplanting jobs. And it looks very impressive. You're looking at the industry's best hydraulically operated self-propelled crusher with a versatile rubber track undercarriage. And by the way, it's through the use of an expandable track system that the manufacturer was able to achieve high cross-country capability, minimizing ground pressure and agitation. At the same time, providing a stable sanding platform and exceptional traction. All in all, a beast of a machine. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.